So till now we have seen examples considering only if statement. Now we will be considering an example with if, else if and else statements. So for this, let us write a program which prints out the greatest number among the three user entered integer numbers. So for this we need three numbers. So let us write n1 is equal to gets dot to integer. So because we want the integer value, it will convert into the, let me copy it, and now let us say n2 and n3. We are getting three numbers into n1, n2, n3. Now we will write the condition. If n1 is greater than n2, now we will be writing and n1 is greater than n3 if both the conditions are true. So if both are true, then puts greater number is comma get it from n1. Like this also we can write. Here we can put something and enter else if the condition is, now we are checking for the n2. If n2 is greater than n1 and n2 is also greater than n3, puts greater number is and comma n2. Else if both the statements are true, puts greater number is n3 and end and gets. Save it. Let us save as greater dot rb. Save. Now open the file. Enter the number. First one let is 4, second one 5, third one 6. So the greater number is 6. Now instead of put, let us write print and see the difference. Prints, not prints, only print. Print, print. And here also let us make some changes. Puts enter number. Let me copy it. And again we will be third time asking. Now let us save it. Control S and open the file. Go to the C, go to the Ruby, greater. Enter number. Let us say 67, 89, 90. So the greater number is 90. This is how we can print the whole string in the one line. If you want to print in the same line, use print, or if you want to print it in the next line, use put s. Put s means put string. and if you press enter it will get exit. Hope you understood this example program. So keep practicing more and more so that you feel comfortable, so that you will understand easily when we go into the further concepts. Meet you in the next video.